Well, I'm 40. All right, we are on the trail going up onto a gravel road. It says I can go 55 miles an hour, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. No. There's people's cabins up here. Wait, am I going straight? Yes. Of course. Well, looks like I gotta hike now. Okay, let's go. I was hiking to the top. I didn't quite make it there. A very nice gentleman over there said he can't let me pass because of a safety hazard, fire hazard. They're clearing trees for safety, and he can't let me through. I don't know. But it's okay, you know. Sometimes the journey, you don't quite make it to the top. You don't quite make it to the end. But he didn't say anything about my drone.